Ever wondered why some people seem to age gracefully, while others face a constant battle with health issues as they grow older? Or why certain cultures known for their fasting practices tend to live longer and healthier lives? Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern medicine. A natural process happening right inside your cells that could be the key to living longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives. Imagine having a magical cleaning crew inside your body, tirelessly working 24/7 to remove damaged parts, recycle old materials, and keep everything running smoothly. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's a real scientifically proven process called autophagy. And here's the exciting part. You have the power to activate it. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into your body's natural healing abilities and transform your health. Autophagy. It sounds complex, but the concept is surprisingly simple and incredibly powerful. Imagine each of your cells as a tiny, bustling city. Over time, like any city, it accumulates garbage, damaged proteins, worn-out cell parts, and other cellular junk. Without proper cleanup, this clutter slows down cellular functions just like a city overwhelmed by waste. This is where autophagy comes in. Think of it as the city's waste management system. When activated, autophagy kicks into action, breaking down and recycling all that cellular garbage into fresh, usable building blocks. Your cells essentially take the old and damaged parts, break them down and repurpose them to keep everything running smoothly. This incredible process isn't just theoretical. In 2016, it earned Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi the Nobel Prize in Medicine. His groundbreaking research revealed that autophagy is essential for maintaining cellular health, fighting disease, and potentially slowing down aging. But here's the best part. Autophagy is not just an automatic, uncontrollable process. You actually have the power to activate it. That means you can encourage your cells to clean up, recycle, and function better, leading to improved immunity, mental clarity, and even a longer, healthier life. And activating this process might be easier than you think. Through simple lifestyle changes, like adjusting when you eat, you can harness the power of autophagy. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to do that. Let's dive deeper into why this discovery matters and how it can transform your health. Why autophagy matters. You might be wondering, why should I care about this cellular cleanup process? Well, the benefits of autophagy are absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine if your body could naturally fight off disease, slow down aging, and maintain optimal function, all without relying on external interventions. That's exactly what autophagy does. Let's break down the 3 most remarkable benefits of autophagy. 1. Boosts immunity. When your cells clean out old or damaged parts, they become better at defending against toxins, viruses, and harmful bacteria. It's like giving your immune system a power boost, enabling it to target and eliminate threats more effectively. By keeping your cellular environment clean and healthy, autophagy reduces inflammation and helps protect against chronic illnesses. 2. Protects your brain. Think about how your computer starts lagging when it's cluttered with junk files. Your brain cells experience something similar. When proteins and damaged cell parts build up, they can interfere with brain function, leading to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy acts like a digital cleanup, clearing out potentially harmful proteins and keeping your brain functioning at its best. Studies show that boosting autophagy may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases, keeping your mind sharper for longer. 3. Supports weight management and metabolic health. Autophagy also plays a crucial role in managing your metabolism. When it's activated, your body becomes more efficient at processing fats and sugars, which helps maintain balanced insulin levels and supports healthy weight loss. It's like optimizing your body's energy management system, burning fat more effectively and keeping blood sugar in check. But there's more. Scientists have discovered that stronger autophagy is closely linked to longevity. It's one of the reasons why certain cultures that practice fasting or calorie restriction tend to live longer, healthier lives. So the real question isn't whether you should care about autophagy, It's how you can activate it to unlock these amazing benefits. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that without starving yourself. Let's move on to the practical steps. Now that we know how powerful autophagy can be, the big question is, how do you activate it? The answer might surprise you. It's not about taking expensive supplements or following a complex routine. It's actually rooted in a practice that's been around for centuries, fasting. But hold on, I'm not talking about starving yourself or drastically cutting calories. The key here is intermittent fasting, a strategy that focuses on when you eat rather than how much you eat. The goal is to give your body enough time to switch from digestion mode to cleanup mode. Understanding the feeding window. Think of it this way. Instead of eating from morning till night, let's say a typical 14 to 16-hour eating window, you shrink that window to around 8 to 10 hours. For example, if your first meal is at 10 a.m., your last meal would ideally be by 6 p.m. This means you're fasting for the remaining 14 to 16 hours, allowing your body to fully focus on cellular cleanup. One of the most popular methods is the 16-point T approach, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. But don't worry if that sounds intense. You don't have to jump straight into it. Start with a 12-hour window like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and gradually shorten it as your body adapts. Why fasting works? During a fast, your body doesn't have a steady supply of glucose from food, so it switches to burning stored fat for energy. This triggers autophagy because your cells recognize the need to be more resourceful. They start breaking down old dysfunctional parts and recycling them to maintain efficiency. Gradual adaptation. If you're new to fasting, don't push yourself too hard at first. Begin with a longer eating window and gradually reduce it over weeks. This helps your body get used to the change without feeling deprived. Pro tip: ease into it. If you find it challenging to skip breakfast or delay your first meal, try hydrating with water, herbal tea, or black coffee. These can help suppress your appetite without breaking the fast. By using this strategic fasting approach, you're not just skipping meals. You're giving your body a chance to detox, repair, and thrive. Next, we'll explore why the timing of your fasting period is just as crucial as the fasting itself. Now that you know how to activate autophagy through fasting, let's dive into something equally important: timing. It's not just about fasting, it's about when you fast. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, a 24-hour cycle that affects everything from sleep to digestion. It's like your body's built-in schedule for optimal function. Understanding this rhythm can make your fasting efforts significantly more effective. Why timing matters. Your body's insulin sensitivity is at its highest in the morning and decreases as the day goes on. This means that your body processes food more efficiently earlier in the day. Eating late at night forces your body to digest when it should be repairing. Think of it like a city's cleaning crew trying to work during rush hour. It's not nearly as efficient. The optimal eating window. Research shows that aligning your eating habits with your circadian rhythm can maximize autophagy. Ideally, you should finish eating by 7 p.m. This allows your body to enter the fasting state during the night, when cellular cleanup is naturally more active. Imagine your body's cleaning crew working undisturbed during the late-night hours, just like city workers sweeping the streets when traffic is low, syncing with nature. Our ancestors didn't have 24/7 access to food. They naturally ate during daylight hours and fasted when it got dark. Modern research supports this ancient wisdom, indicating that eating earlier and fasting overnight aligns with your body's natural rhythm, optimizing cellular repair and regeneration. A practical example: if you have your first meal at 10 a.m., aim to finish dinner by 6 p.m. This way, you're not only maximizing your fasting window, but also allowing your body to focus on cellular cleanup when it's naturally inclined to do so. By eating earlier in the day and fasting overnight, you're not just following a diet, you're syncing with your body's innate ability to heal and rejuvenate. Up next, we'll discuss how protein consumption impacts this process. While fasting is an effective way to activate autophagy, there's another crucial factor to consider: protein consumption. Specifically, the type and frequency of protein intake can significantly impact your body's ability to switch on its natural cleanup mode. Why protein matters. Proteins, especially those from animal sources, are rich in amino acids that signal your body to stay in growth mode. When you constantly supply your body with animal protein, it never fully switches to repair mode, the state needed for autophagy. Think of it like a factory that's always busy producing new products, but never has time to clean and maintain the machinery. That doesn't mean you need to eliminate protein entirely or switch to a vegetarian diet. Instead, it's about timing and balance. Having a few meat-free days each week can give your body a break from constant protein intake, allowing autophagy to take the lead. You can still enjoy lean meats and animal-based proteins, just not every single day. How to balance protein and fasting. On your fasting days or during your feeding windows, focus more on plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds. These options are generally lower in specific amino acids that signal constant growth, giving your cells a better chance to activate autophagy. Additionally, avoid snacking on protein-rich foods outside your designated eating window. Even small amounts can disrupt the fasting state and minimize the benefits of autophagy. You don't have to completely cut out animal protein to boost autophagy. Just be mindful of how often and when you consume it. Strategic adjustments, like incorporating plant-based meals on certain days, can significantly enhance your body's natural ability to clean, repair, and rejuvenate. Up next, let's talk about some practical tips for successful fasting and maximizing autophagy. Activating autophagy through fasting can be a game changer for your health, but it's important to do it the right way. Here are some practical tips to make your fasting experience smoother and more effective. 1. Stay hydrated. One of the most important aspects of fasting is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body flush out toxins and supports cellular functions. You can also have herbal teas or warm water, which not only keep you hydrated, but can also reduce cravings. Just make sure to avoid any beverages with calories as they can break your fast. 2. Choose nutrient-dense foods. When you're in your eating window, focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods. Think vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These provide essential nutrients that support your body's natural repair processes. Avoid processed and sugary foods that can spike insulin levels and hinder autophagy. 3. Listen to your body. Fasting is not a one-size-fits-all practice. Start slow, maybe with a 12-hour fasting window, and gradually extend it as your body adapts. If you feel dizzy, weak, or overly fatigued, it might be a sign that you're pushing too hard. Modify your fasting duration or adjust your diet to include more nutrient-dense meals. 4. Keep busy. Distraction is a powerful tool when hunger strikes. Engage in activities that keep your mind off food, like going for a walk, reading, or tackling. A creative project. You'll find that hunger often passes more quickly than you think. 5. Plan your meals. To avoid overeating during your eating window, plan your meals ahead. This not only helps maintain portion control, but also ensures you're getting balanced nutrition. 6. Consult a healthcare professional. Especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications, it's essential to get personalized advice before starting a fasting routine. Your healthcare provider can help tailor the approach to fit your unique needs. By following these practical tips, you'll set yourself up for a successful and sustainable fasting journey, one that activates autophagy and promotes long-term health. Up next, let's look at some real-life inspiration and success stories. Sometimes hearing about real people who have successfully implemented fasting and activated autophagy can make all the difference. Let me share a quick, inspiring story. Meet Sarah, a busy professional in her 40s who had been struggling with low energy, brain fog, and stubborn weight gain. After learning about autophagy, she decided to give intermittent fasting a try, starting with a 12-hour eating window and gradually moving to the popular 16-8 method. At first, it wasn't easy. She felt hungry during the fasting period and worried, about skipping breakfast. But by staying hydrated and planning her meals, Sarah gradually adjusted. Within weeks, she noticed a surge in energy, clearer thinking, and most importantly, steady weight loss. The most exciting part: after a few months, her blood markers showed reduced inflammation and improved metabolic health. Sarah's story proves that even small, consistent changes can have a profound impact on your well-being. Inspired by Sarah's success, you can do it too. Start slow, stay consistent, and listen to your body. The results may just surprise you. So, what have we learned today? Inside each of your cells, there's an incredible cleanup system just waiting to be activated. Through simple changes in when and how you eat, you can tap into this natural process called autophagy, helping your body fight disease, slow aging, and optimize overall health. Remember, it's not about making drastic lifestyle changes overnight. Start small, perhaps with a 12-hour fasting window, and gradually work your way up. Focus on hydration, nutrient-dense foods, and aligning your eating habits with your body's natural rhythms. By doing so, you're not just adopting a trend, you're embracing a science-backed approach to longevity and well-being. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What challenges have you faced, or what successes have you achieved? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your life naturally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.